how to become a seller in Fiverr. So from the Fiverr website, logged into your Fiverr account, you'll first have to have a Fiverr account, and I've also made a video on how to create a Fiverr account. I'll put a card in the upper right hand corner here that you can choose from in case you haven't done that yet. So after you've created your Fiverr account, you'll come, of course, to the Fiverr website where you'll click on the Become a Seller option. And then it will bring you to this web page that you see right here, basically allowing you to go forward with becoming a seller. And basically it gives you a little bit more information about what it means to be a seller and different kinds of sellers that are on Fiverr. So we'll go ahead and click on the Become a Seller option. So after you click on that, it says ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here's the breakdown. Basically it gives you a little thing about what it means to be successful on Fiverr, how to create your seller profile, and also publish a gig. So we'll go ahead and hit continue. And then it goes on a little bit more about some information about being successful on Fiverr. Like take your time at creating your profile so it's exactly what you want it to be, stuff like that. I'll let you read into that further when you create your own account. We'll go ahead and hit continue again. And then there's some more things about what you should steer clear of and stuff that you shouldn't do on Fiverr. You can read that as well in your own time. We'll go ahead and hit continue again. So then it comes to the personal information page. I've already gone through this before, just so I knew what was going into it before I made the video, of course. So it'll ask you to put in your full name, so you put your full name here, be first name, then last name, and then you can add a profile picture. I've chosen, of course, is the howtoal logo that I have. And then it'll ask you for a description. For mine, I've put in, I make how-to videos following different application and technical support software. Strive for excellence and to help others learn new skills and abilities. It has to at least be 150 characters long, but it can't be more than 600. Okay? And then you're also given a languages field where you can put in a language. So we'll go ahead and hit continue again. And now I'll bring you to the professional info page. For my occupation, I selected programming and tech, and I probably started this around 2017, now we're in 2020. And then you also have to choose 2 to 5 of your best skills in programming and tech. So I did Q&A, support and IT, and desktop applications. And then from there, it goes to your skills. You're required to at least have one skill. For mine, of course, I put troubleshooting, and I decided that I was an expert at it. And then we have education. This is an optional field, so if you don't have any education, you don't have to put anything in here. But if you do have something that you would like to add, you can do that there as well. Then certification, you can put a certification in here if you want. For myself, I have the CompTIA A+ certification, so I put that in there. And then personal website, if you want to link a personal website, you can do that as well. So then we'll go ahead and hit continue. And then you can go ahead and link any accounts you have. So for mine, I linked my Google account, my howtoal.official @gmail.com. And then you can also add Stack Overflow or GitHub if you have any code, stuff like that you're going to be adding as well. So we'll go ahead and hit continue again. Okay, and then it'll ask you account security. Trust and safety is a big deal. Please verify your email and phone number so that we can keep your account secured. Okay, so you'll have to have a phone number in here as well. So you're going to go ahead and click on the verify email option if it's not already verified. And then you'll also click on the phone verify option, add a phone number. So when you click on that, it'll then prompt you to put in your phone number. And then after you have put in your phone number, you can either verify by SMS or verify by call. This is essentially a text message. And it'll highlight green so you know it's ready to push. I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So after you have verified your phone number, it will then ask you to put in a security question to verify your phone number as well. So for mine, I don't know what I'll do. I'll do one of these, but I'll get back to you as soon as I get this taken care of as well. And then as soon as you are done verifying, it will say verification complete. Your phone number was verified successfully. Thank you. And then you can go ahead and click OK. And then you'll notice that both of these statuses for your email and your phone are now set as verified. And you can go ahead and click on finish. Now that you're here, I'll say all done. Now that your profile is complete, you can get to it with exciting stuff, yada, yada, yada. And you can go ahead and click on finish. And if you want to go back, you can also click on edit profile. So we'll go ahead, of course, and click on finish. And now we're pretty much done with becoming a seller on Fiverr. And now we'll get us to the point where we go about creating our first gig. So we'll do that in our next Fiverr video. But thank you for watching. That was how to become a seller in Fiverr.